Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a flashing battery on your Honeywell thermostat in 2025, you're in the right place. This is a super common issue, and I'm here to walk you through fixing it step by step. Let's dive in and get your home comfort back on track. First off, what does that flashing battery even mean? It's your thermostat's way of telling you that the batteries are low and need to be replaced. Ignoring this could lead to your thermostat malfunctioning, so let's not let that happen. Most Honeywell models use standard AA or AAA batteries, but double-check your user manual for specifics. Before we start, safety first. Make sure to turn off the power to your thermostat at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, locate the battery compartment. On most Honeywell units, it's on the front or side panel. Just look for a small door or cover that pops open. Now, carefully remove the old batteries. If they're stuck, gently wiggle them out, but don't force anything. Insert fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries, making sure to match the polarity. That's the plus and minus signs. Snap the compartment shut, and turn the power back on at the breaker. Test your thermostat by setting a temperature and seeing if the flashing stops. If it does, great job, you're all set. But if the light keeps flashing, there might be another issue, like a wiring problem or a faulty unit. In that case, consult a professional or contact Honeywell support. There you have it, folks. Fixing a flashing battery on your Honeywell thermostat is quick and easy, saving you time and hassle. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home tech tips. Stay comfortable, and I'll see you in the next one.